The biggest tech skill shift happening right now, that most people miss. The biggest shift in tech right now isn't AI replacing jobs. It's AI redefining what skill actually means. For years, value in tech came from execution. If you could write clean code, configure infrastructure, or build pipelines faster than others, you were valuable. Execution speed created differentiation. But now AI can generate code. It can suggest architecture patterns. It can draft documentation and even debug errors. So what changes? Execution is becoming cheaper. Judgment is becoming expensive. The professionals who grow in this environment are not the ones who simply know more tools. They are the ones who understand systems deeply enough to decide what should be built, why it should be built, and how it fits into a larger context. AI reduces friction in doing, but it increases the importance of deciding. If your skill is limited to operating a tool, you are competing at the lowest layer of value. If your skill includes problem framing, trade-off analysis, system thinking, and business awareness, you move up the value chain. This is the real shift happening in tech. The market is quietly rewarding clarity over speed, architecture over syntax, context over commands. And most people are still competing at the execution layer. That's what they're missing.